So we're at some family members' place at the moment, and they've put a couple of raised beds in, and we've actually grown the plants for them. So sometimes you don't need to do everything yourself. You can pull your resources and your skills and talents and do a bit of a partnership thing going. So I've grown the plants, then put the beds in, and we're going to plant these summer crops. And we've got quite a few things: squash, zucchini, tomato. Even got a sunflower there. Got a couple of herbs, parsley plants. Got some broccoli and some bush beans. So we'll get stuck into this and we'll check it out when we're finished. It's a job done. We've planted 30 odd summer vegetables in these two raised beds. We've got things like zucchinis. We've planted these on the edge towards the sides. They'll cascade over the edge, so utilising most of the space, and they'll crop all the way down there. French beans up the middle. We've got 2 cherry tomatoes down either end, and what will happen with those is they'll grow up and they'll spill over the edge of the bed as well. So you'll be picking cherry tomatoes all the way around the outside of the bed. And we've got a row of cauliflower and a row of broccoli there, and plus a parsley plant. So we've spent maybe 20 minutes planting all this. So they're happy. They've put the beds in. I invested a bit of money and time in putting the beds in. We've grown the plants, and it's been a real joint effort. So that's what you can do if you're short on time and resources.